IELTS exam, and this is your exam. It will conducted in three parts.
Okay.
In part 1 you will ask some question regarding the basic information and your basic introduction.
Yes,
And in part 2 there will be cue card. In part 3 the question regarding the cue cards will be asked.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay. Speak loudly.
Yes, I am ready.
Okay. Can I have your full name, please?
My name is Manpreet Singh.
Where do you come from?
I hail from Beas. This is a small town in Amritsar, which lies in northern part of India.
Do you work or study?
Recently, I had passed my senior secondary class with flying colors. Now I am planning to migrate Canada for my further studies.
Okay. So let's talk about the watch. Okay. How often do you wear watch?
When is there was occasion or any wedding party, at that moment I wear the watch. Otherwise, when I was going to running in early morning, at that time I want to wear the watch.
What was your first watch look like?
When I was in 12th standard, at that moment my father has gifted me first watch, and that was a smart watch which connected by mobile phone.
Speak loud.
And it has so many advanced features from where easily we can call and take pictures from the watch.
What kind of watches do you like to wear?
As far as my choice is concerned, that I would like to wearing the smart watches because it is easy to carry with we, and we can also connect with mobile phone and listen music by hearing headphone.
Okay. Do the people still wear watch?
Yes, most
In
of
your
the people love to wearing the watch, and as far as people's concerned, that they wear the watch by choosing the dresses, and like this they can wearing the watch different types of watches.
Okay. That's the end of section 1. Okay. Now I will give you. You done?
Yes.
Okay.
Going down to my memory, I vividly remember when I was in 12th standard. At that time, I really want to driving in the car because it is my hobby to drive in car and enjoying with friends. So at that, when I was in 12th standard, my father had to buy a new car, a Fortuner. Its price was 28 lakh, and it has so many advanced features in that car. So I really want to drive it, but I don't know how to drive it because it is too complicated without learning how to drive the car. So my father said that you should have to first of all learn how to drive the car and which type of features having the car. So after 2 days I had joined the driving learning school, and at there was 10 students who were learning how to driving the car and which type of features have they. So attend 1 month I attend that classes, and I really know about how to drive the car and which type of things we should have to do while we are driving. So that was a wonderful moment when I know how to drive the car and which type of features is that. And after 1 month I had completed my course, and my father told me that now you can drive the car because there is main thing to driving the car. We should have to make our own license from where we can go anywhere, any state or any village, because this is compulsory to ordinary people above 18 age, that they should have to make a license. If they drive car without license, they should have to pay the fine. So after then I make my license and started driving the car, and that was a wonderful moment of my life when I was driving that car.
Okay. At what age will make it difficult to learn a skill?
There are most ages, but I would like to about my age when I was in 16th age. At that time I don't know how to do anything. At that time my father told me like a teacher that you should have to done this work by easy manner by concentrating on your work.
Who you will learn a skill from? Friends, teachers, or parents?
Both of them, they told me how to learn the skills and how you can gain energy and gain knowledge about them from those things, because if I know everything about the skills, I can do in my future all those things, because my fathers are really supporting to me about everything. And teachers also teach me, and friends are really best friend of my life, and they are part and parcel of my life. So I really love them, and they everything told about me, which type of things I want to do.
Do you think boys and girls should learn the same skill?
Yes, in this era, people cannot judge to each other that boys and girls are small and boys are big. So they are making together, and they are learning everything about which type of things are doing in working in India, and peoples are doing. So there is no uh, respectful to women and man. They only respect and told everything about male and females.
Why do girls like shopping?
Because because they really want to go cinema mall and malls to shopping the branded clothes, and because they having their age to shop the things and be modern, because few girls having their own aim to be model. So that is the main thing that girls really want to buy shopping things and buy luxury things.
Where we can learn the practical things?
Can you speak again?
Where we can learn the practical skills?
Yes, this is a very easy question. We can learn everything from school, and my dear parents also told everything about me, and every parents teach to their own children that this thing is wrong and this is right to do in your future. So like this, people, children can easily gain knowledge from their parents and school also.
Okay. Should the old people read the books?
Yes, old people are really read the books because they having their own energy to read the two books in 1 hour, because they having the two strength to reading the books and having concentrate on their books. And one more thing is that they never expect someone that they can disturb me and give me awareness. So they only concentrate on their books and gain knowledge from them.
Which one is more important, cooking or driving a car?
Both are important. First of all, we should have to concentrate on both things. If we are driving, we should have to concentrate on driving, while we should not have to use the mobile phone while driving. If we are cooking, we should have to concentrate on cooking if there was anything was not burning. So which we should have to only concentrate on those things and make them perfect.
What kind of skills are difficult to learn?
There are so many things I would like to talk about car driving. Uh, if a person do not know how to drive the car, he cannot do. If he was driving the car, he can hit in the pillar or any bus and truck. So first of all, he should have to go to driving school and learn everything about the car. After then, he can easily drive it.
Okay. That's the end of your speaking. Yes. Thank you so much.
Yeah, sure.